Hi, Ashley here with hearthookhome.com, and today we are learning how to crochet the half treble crochet stitch. This is a variation of the treble crochet that is almost like a double crochet. It's almost like a half double crochet. It's very tall, it's very easy, it's very plush. It looks great in bulky fabric or bulky weight yarns that I have here. So let's learn how to do the half treble crochet stitch. To crochet the half treble crochet stitch, you can start with any number of chains. Keep in mind that the final 2 chains made will make up the height of your first row. So if you need to have 10 stitches, you'll need to chain 12. What we're going to do is we'll find the 3rd chain from the hook, and we're going to look towards the back bar here. I'm going to wrap my yarn twice, like I would with a treble crochet. I'm going to insert my hook into that 3rd chain and pull up a loop. Now that I have my 4 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 3. And that is the half treble. Yarn over twice, go into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. And that is your first row of half treble crochet. Aren't these plush and tall and beautiful? I love them. To start a new row, we're going to chain 2 and turn. And now we're just going to do the same exact thing going into the first stitch here. Yarn over twice, make that half treble crochet stitch, and complete all the way to the end of the row. That's it. This stitch is big, it's beautiful. I've got a brand new pattern coming out with it soon, and I cannot wait to show you. I hope you like this stitch, and I look forward to crocheting again with you soon. Thanks for watching.